This is going to be a remake video of this 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage Hugger ceiling fan. It is in the brushed nickel finish, 5 blades, 3-speed electrically reversible motor, integrated LED light kit. This particular ceiling fan was made in 2020. And you guys may remember the original video I shot of this fan. It was installed in the kitchen, recorded on my Samsung Galaxy A11. And all ceiling fan videos are now going to be filmed in my new testing rig, which I did work on fixing the lighting here a little bit. And this ceiling fan you can buy at Lowe's, although I'm not sure if you can anymore. So don't take my word for that. Anyways, we will give it a demo starting with the light. And I am using a 60-watt equivalent LED light bulb in there. And here's low. Now this speed here, low speed, it's about an average low speed. I mean, it gets the job done. It's not too fast, it's not too slow, it's just right. And it's pretty quiet. Here's the light again. Here is medium. And if you're wondering why the blades have a slight discoloration to them, that's because this fan is pretty dusty, and this is the first time I've brought it out of storage in a while. Here's the light. And here is high. And off. And while this fan is spinning down, I am going to talk about some general information on it. While we're here, we'll get a close-up of the motor housing. Like I said, this particular ceiling fan, you can purchase this at Lowe's. I am not sponsored, just mentioning where you can get from. This is for all the fan collectors out there. And for this being a cheap ceiling fan, it's not bad. It's certainly better than a Walmart ceiling fan. Everybody knows at Walmart they pay you to take the garbage. And I want to do a remake video here in the new testing rig for you guys. And again, all ceiling fan videos are now going to be filmed in the new testing rig. So I did do my best to try to fix the lighting on this, so let me know how that turned out. And if the blades appear to be slightly discolored, that's because this fan is dirty and it's been sitting in storage for a while. And that noise you hear in the background, the furnace just kicked on. Well, there you have it. This has been a video on this 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage Hugger ceiling fan. Until next time, I'll see you later. Peace.